In this part, we will continue preparing the files and data needed to implement HEC-GeoHMS within the ArcGIS program, where we combine the two layers of shapefile for land use and soil type that exist inside land use file and soil type file, and we explained how to prepare them in the previous videos of this category, where they are combined into a single layer by means of intersect, where we create a file on our desktop entitled intersect, as we see. Then we go to the ArcMap program, and we open the first layer for land use for the study area basin by add data. Then we go to the desktop, land use, globe cover USGS LULC version 2.3 color, reclassify laser zap land cover shapefile UTM, reclassify laser zap land cover UTM.SHP, then add, then we add the second layer of soil type by add data. Then we go to the desktop, soil type, laser zap soil type DSMW shapefile UTM, laser zap DSMW UTM.SHP, then add, then we open the Arc toolbox, and in the Arc toolbox window we go to the analysis tools, then to overlay, and we choose intersect. In the input feature we choose laser zap DSMW UTM layer, and then we choose reclassify laser zap land cover UTM layer. Then we go to the output feature class, and we specify the save location in this path. Desktop, intersect, then we type the save name, which is laser zap DSMWUTM-intersect. Then we press on save. Then we press on OK. The two layers of shapefile for land use and soil type for the study area basin are combined in one layer, where we open this merged layer via add data. Then we go to the desktop, intersect, Then we add this merged layer via add. Then we open the table for this merged layer and in it we find the merged data for the two layers of the land use and soil type for the study area basin. As we see, thus the process of merging the two layers of shapefile for the land use and soil type for the study area basin has ended. Then we close the Alt toolbox and then we close the ArcGIS. Then we prepare the CN LOOKUP table and as follows, where we make a file on the desktop entitled CN LOOKUP table. As we see, then we go to the ArcMap program and in it we make a table by create table, where we go to the search and we type create table, then search, then create table appears and we click on it. Then in the table location we go to the desktop. In the table location we go to the desktop then we choose CN LOOKUP table and in it we press on a new file geodatabase. Then we rename it to CN LOOKUP. As we see, then add, then in table name we type CN LOOKUP, CN LOOKUP. Then we press on OK. Then we open the CN lookup table by add data, where we make a double click on CN lookup.gdb. Then we choose CN lookup, then add. Then we open this table. Here in this table we prepared it and we added fields and data to this table in advance, where at the beginning only the first field titled object appears, where we add the rest of the fields by table option, then add fields, where we add the first field entitled description of type text. Then we add the fields of hydrologic soil group A, B, C, D of type short integer. Then we add the field entitled LU value of type short integer, and we add the field entitled land use of type short integer. Then we go to the editor, then start editing. Then in description field we put the 7 major classes of land use for Anderson that exist in this photo entitled HEC-GeoHMS land use classification.jpg, and in it we find the 7 classes of the land uses, classes of land use according to Anderson, and these land uses are specific to HEC-GeoHMS: 1 urban, 2 agriculture, 3 rangeland, 4 forest, 5 water, 6 wetland, 7 marine land. Where we type these 7 major classes in the description field, then we type the curve number CN for the hydrologic soil groups in A, B, C, and D, which inside this PDF file, and in it we go to table 2 curve number for NRCS-CN method. Where we take the value of curve number CN in the antecedent moisture condition AMC of 2, which is the average condition. For example, in urban class, we take curve number 89 for group A, where we type 89 in A as we see, and curve number 92 for group B as we see. and so on for the rest of the curve numbers CN in this table. In the LU value field, we put the number of these 7 main classes of land use from 1 to 7, as we see, as shown in this photo entitled HEC-GeoHMS Land Use Classification.jpg, and in it we find the 7 classes of the land uses, classes of land use according to Anderson, and these land uses are specific to HEC-GeoHMS: 1 urban, 2 agriculture, 3 rangeland, 4 forest, 5 water, 6 wetland, 7 marine land. And in the land use field, we put the same numbers as in the LU value field, as we see. Then we go to the editor, then stop editing, then yes. By this, we have finished preparing CN LOOKUP table. And these files and table and data that exist in the files titled land use, soil type, intersect, and CN LOOKUP table will be used in the calculation of curve number CN for the study area basin, as will be explained in the next videos. And now we are putting these files into a single file with the title CN, where we create a new folder entitled CN, and we put these files titled land use, soil type, intersect, and CN LOOKUP table inside this file titled CN.